Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be installing the Samsung anti-reflecting film screen protector on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, as you can see, this is a true to life image of a Z Fold, which I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw it, I thought, man, this looks really big, but nope, this is a true to life image of a Z Fold, and this is the anti-reflecting film that's gonna go on the front cover display. So I'm gonna pop this open. Now, if you guys saw my previous video from earlier this year where I installed the screen protector on the S24 Ultra, you'll know that that video was a little bit of a mixed bag. It was kind of received a little bit differently here and there, but we're gonna try to do this one. We're gonna follow the directions and we're gonna see what happens. So, as we can see, flipping this over, we have a few things in here that we're going to use to install our screen protector. First things first, see if I can get it all to come out. Okay, so this little packet right here is going to actually house your screen protector. Now, I do believe we get two. Nice. So we get two screen protectors in the packet. So I'll put the other one back in there, which means that we'll put this stuff back in there for later. But I'm the type of person I like to lay my stuff out. So we have our squeegee. So we'll put our squeegee over here to the side. We have microfiber cleaning cloth right here to help clean the display. We also have our little guard here that's going to help keep the phone in place when we get ready to attach the screen protector. We have the screen protector itself, some dust removal stickers, and we have our instructions. So popping open the instructions, pretty much very straightforward and to the point. You have A, B, C, and D. I mean, I really think it can get any easier than that. But let's see, let's just go on ahead just for good measure. Let's just pop this open, see if there's anything in here worth looking at. And yes, there are a few more instructions. So once you get the D, where it tells you what to take off. Okay, so as we can see, if you follow E, you line it up, use the top guard to line it up with the camera hole, use that to apply pressure, and then use the squeegee to peel off number 1 and 2, or number 1, peel it forward, and then you're gonna take the phone and rotate it. You're gonna lift off the top part, and then you're going to essentially squeegee out the bottom part, and then you're gonna take care of that back part. And then once you're done with that, peel off the blue and just kind of give it a good wipe down. So let's go on ahead and get this thing installed and let's see how we do. So we'll put the instructions off to the side. So for now, we're going to give our screen a good wipe down first with this microfiber cloth before we get started. Now, I am doing this video late at night, but I am one of those people who I refuse to carry a device out of the house without a screen protector. I will go caseless before I go without a screen protector. Call me crazy, but that's just my thing. I will not leave the house without a screen protector. So I'm gonna go on ahead and remove this sticker. We're gonna put that off to the side, and then I'm gonna remove this one as well. And I'm also gonna put it off to the side. And we're gonna go on ahead and make sure that we get this lined up perfectly, and boom. We're gonna attach that to the bottom of our fold. So, oh, sorry, not the bottom of the fold. I'm tripping. We're gonna attach it to the top of the fold. God, I'm already messing up, guys, my bad. Okay, so we've got it attached to the top of the fold. And now, I'm gonna use this dust removal sticker to just kind of dab the screen a little bit to get all that extra dust off. But first I'm going to pull the screen protector out. I'm trying to do this step by step, nice and slow, so that way there's no issues this time around. Okay, so make sure. Okay, all right, so we're going to take this dust removal sticker here and we're going to kind of just go up and down the phone, getting as much dust off as we can. getting as much dust as we can off of the phone. Sometimes I like to hold it like this because then it makes it easier to just run up and down the screen. And that wobble is killing me, but all right, let's go ahead and try it out. So we're gonna take our screen protector, and what we're gonna do first is we are going to line up this area here. Okay, that adhesive that is holding that down is really and truly not that strong. Like, so tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and open the fold up, and we're gonna do it like this here. Boom. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this right here. I'm gonna give the screen one more tap down with the dust removal, just because I'm a stickler for getting the dust. Okay, so now taking this, we're gonna take this one and peel it off. And we are going to take this here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna line it up right where it says to lay it at. So we're gonna make sure that it's around the camera the right way. I see it lined up. And we're gonna put that part down, secure it in place. So now that part is down and it's secured, we're gonna take our squeegee and we're gonna go ahead and remove number one. And we're gonna just lay that down nice and flat. So far, so good. I don't see hardly any bubbles. So far, so good. Now we're gonna take this bottom part, take this piece off. We'll use it for later. We're gonna lift this up. And we're gonna just go on ahead and just basically do the same thing. We're just gonna squeeze that down. And boom. And that is going to be that. Very, very, very simple install and installation of the screen protector. Now that that's over with, I'm gonna go on ahead and close my phone back up, just because I don't feel like I need to leave the phone face down like that the entire time. But as you guys can see, it looks really good so far on the phone. I don't see any issues. So we're gonna just use the squeegee to just get this middle line out. And that was one of the issues that I had with the anti-reflective screen protector on the Ultra. It felt like that line in the middle just would not come off to save my life. But this one seems like it went on really well. And now we'll just take this outer layer off. And boom, there's our screen protector. Now, instantly, after taking it off, I can see, you can kind of tell. You see, you guys see that? You can kind of tell that the screen protector is there, but if you're looking at it like this, you really can't see it until you turn on the display. Then it's a little bit more visible. And mine is slightly uneven. Could have been my fault, but if you look over here, it's very close to the corner over here, but there's a little bit of a lip on this side. Now, I think that some of that may have to do with the way that the cases sit on this phone. So time will tell in the testing that I do if that is the case. But so far, first impressions, it is nice. It is very nice. Now, I'm a tempered glass guy, so whether or not this stays on the phone is a little bit of a question mark for me. But I will say so far, in my opinion, this is worth the money. If you're able to get this for a good price, or if you're able to get this in the pre-order like I did, because I pre-ordered the phone screen protector and I got the Kind suit, aka the leather case as well. If you're able to get this with the phone, I say go for it, because I don't think you can go wrong with it. It's great. It feels really good, really smooth, and obviously that anti-reflective. Like, I have a big Godox light behind me, and I don't know if you guys can tell, like, it's not really reflecting any light like that at all on the display. Like, it's not even, Like it's not reflecting at all. Now I do still have just a little bit of line over here, but as you guys can see with the squeegee, that came right out. So yeah, this is gonna be the anti-reflecting screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you guys are interested in this screen protector, I will have a link down below in the description, so please make sure you check that out. And also, there is still time to pre-order this device. I got mine early, but there is still time to pre-order this device. So if you want to use the links in the description to save an extra $50 and get your pre-order, go ahead and use those links down below. Sorry, I got tongue-tied. But anyway, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. It's your man, Tech King Mike. As always, I will catch you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.